The FBI is investigating the St. Louis Cardinals for allegedly hacking into the Houston Astros database for the last year. In June of 2014, the Astros said they had been hacked when confidential team information was leaked to Deadspin.com. Now, according to the New York Times, the FBI traced the hacking to a personal computer in the home of unnamed St. Louis Cardinal front office employees. Astros general manager Jeff Luhnow was the Cardinals' director of scouting from 2003 to 2011. Law enforcement officials say that the Cards employees were looking to, quote, wreak havoc on the work of Jeff Luhnow, unquote. Cardinals issued a statement saying in part that they fully cooperated with the investigation and continue to do so.
We don't know any more than anybody else, and just kind of waiting to hear. You know, we heard from the front office that this is something that's going to be addressed soon, and then we'll be up to speed. But you know, right now we just go about our business and realize it's something that's being dealt with.
To assume that that investigation is going to produce a particular result with respect to the Cardinals, let alone to jump to the use of a word like cyber attack, I just think we don't know that those are the facts yet.